So we start off today's video with this faux stained glass DIY. So it looks like someone is trying to decorate their door here. I actually really like this idea. It's kind of cool, and the roses remind me of Beauty and the Beast. Oh, this is so pretty. It looks like watercolor. Oh, that is so cute. And such an easy upgrade. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So today we're just going to be taking a look at some TikTok DIYs. Here we have someone making some sort of disco inspired lamp. And if you guys didn't already know, the disco decor trend is having a moment right now. A lot of people are gravitating towards this trend. And I think that this is such a creative lamp design. I absolutely love it. So DIY room decor ideas part 1. Colored disc. You basically do it with a marker, some florals, paper and scissors, and just doodles. This is basically called TikTok artwork. So we have a mushroom inspired lamp here. I like it in orange. I think that's really cool. So basically they have a cylinder and a glass bowl. Now you might be able to find these items at the dollar store, because I have seen that glass cylinder there before. And they should have some glass bowls, if I'm not mistaken. Oh, she's doing like a really pretty, yeah, she's doing an orange color. It's kind of like orangey terracotta. Yes, I love it. Check out her fireplace, so cool. So here's another variation, and this time they went with like the granite stone look, and they used a pug light for that. Fruit Loop mirror DIY. Okay, so she has some Fruit Loops here. Is this really like a trend? I don't know. So there's the mirror that she has. She's putting the bowls in a Fruit Loop. Now, what is that there that she has? Plaster? Now, don't quote me on any of the things that I say that the person is using, because I could be totally and completely wrong, just FYI. I'm just making guesses of what they're using. So she put that in the bowl, and then she put the mirror on top. Oh, this is cute. Very creative. I've never seen anything like this before. Is this like a trend right now? That's cute, and then she put like a little spoon there. But how does she like decorate with that though? I wonder if she just like puts it on the wall or what. So then we have someone painting a mirror. Yes, this is a thing right now. Blue flowers, white, kind of like an ombre effect. It looks like watercolor, really pretty. This looks like it would be relaxing to do, like you're bored, so you decide to paint your mirror, and yeah, this person is really good. They're outlining it, adding in butterflies, some gems. That was so gorgeous. Oh no, what is she doing here? Looks like she has air clay maybe? And it's green. So she's stretching it out. That it has to be air clay. Okay, we can't see what you have because it's backwards, but I'm just gonna assume that's air clay. So she's rolling it out, and then she's got like different colors, paint that she used to make the different colors. Oh, I like the pastel. Okay, so she must be making flowers for this. Different colored pastel flowers, fun. I wonder what she's gonna do with them though. Is she gonna like put them somewhere? Or... Those are cute though, really cute. Oh, she's putting them on a mirror. Oh, that is adorable. Such a cute project. And that's playing right into that pastel trend that everyone's doing right now. Really cute. So we have a DIY phone design here. Okay. Well, this is really pretty. It's like a collage. That would be pretty cool though, to decorate and make your own like phone case design. I mean, we have our phones on us all the time, so why not design your own phone case? That's a really creative idea. Oh, so she sells those. Okay. But still, just making your own, like for yourself, not to like profit or anything. I think that's pretty cool. Oh, is this person making like a Valentine's project? We got roses, hearts. This is cute. I was actually talking about this in like one of my last videos, how people should make like their own Valentine's projects. I think that they're just so much cuter and personalized. That's cute. Looks so professional too. That'd be like a really nice card to get. So we have someone else painting a mirror here. It looks like grass. I think this is the same person as before. Oh, they're making lavender. This is a cute trend, but it's kind of like, okay, you paint the mirror and you can't really see out of it. So it's like, what's the point? You think about it. It's like you maybe just paint on like canvas. I don't know. What is this? Are those supposed to be mushrooms or... some type of stones or something. I don't know. I'm so confused about what this actually is. It's obviously some moss. Bamboo? Okay, so I guess it's just like a way for them to keep like plants. I don't know. Alright you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these DIY project ideas with me. You were able to gain some inspiration. If you did, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and check out this video if you want to see even more DIY reactions and project ideas.